Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the E-FLITE T-28B. It's the little 1.1 meter. It's a Trojan. Basically, it's considered a World War II or a warbird trainer. Just a good little plane. This one has the runs on 2S or 3S or 4S. And yeah, right, left, up, down. Right, left. Wind is directly out of that direction, out of the northeast. It does help to turn the motor on. I don't know why. But yeah, even with the wind, this little plane can handle it. I'm out of the power now, and she's just gliding along. I didn't give my camera lady any warning about what I was going to do. I don't want to hit that bird there. You got her now? All right. Put her into the wind and just kind of hold her there for a second. And just enjoy a little bit of windsurfing. This is one, even though it's a low wing, it can handle the wind no problem. Okay, we're going to go out towards the highway. I'm only at a quarter throttle right now. Timer is set for 5.5 minutes. But even in the wind, this is a great little plane. Right now I just have the AS3X running, which is just wind mitigation. All right. Remember, landing is all about throttle. All about throttle. But you can see this light little plane only weighs, I don't know, a pound or so. And you put into that wind, a little bit of a knife edge here. But you put into that wind and she'll do just fine. Yeah, that wind is really starting to mess with her now. Now, with the wind being as heavy as it is, I don't even want to try land her on the grass. But she definitely got the power if you need it. And you can see with the wind, you can fly this little warbird trainer. You can fly it slow. All right, let's see if we can't land this bad boy. I think my CG is shifted on me. Yeah, I feel like my CG is shifted on me. See how tail heavy she is? I'm thinking my battery is falling backwards. Yeah, I think my battery may have fallen. Hold on. All right, what do you always want to hear before you ever touch a model? Motor off. Yeah, my CG shifted. Yeah, battery has moved back a little bit. That explains it, but it's okay now. It won't go back too dramatically because the canopy has this little dam right here that the battery will see my wing there will hit that dam and you won't go shift back any further. So that's good. So it won't be like a catastrophic change in your CG. Remember, if you get the CG right and you got a wing, you can make a brick fly. All right, motor back on because it makes it so much easier. Let's see if we can't get a little more of a scale takeoff. Yeah. By the way, I'm running a 2200 4S in her. But yeah, it is awfully windy. All right, I'm gonna go back over here towards the clubhouse. A little bit of a knife edge here. And that yellow color makes it so much easier to see. Because we got basically just almost a full blank blue sky today. But the Yellow really does help. She keeps wanting to climb on me. All right. All right, let's bring her right down the runway. You lost her?
Time remaining.
Sorry.
3 minutes.
Bleeds into the blue on me.
Huh?
She bleeds into the blue on me.
Yeah. I wish the wind was right down the runway, but oh well. If you wait for the perfect day, you'll never fly. There. All right, we still got a few more minutes. All right. Nice scale takeoff. A little bit slow roll there. All right, let's take her up and stall her. As you can see, she just slumps right on over. Very predictable. Even though she's a low wing, you look at that dihedral in the wings, makes her inherently stable. But that's one thing the Trojan's known for, being such a stable platform. A little touch and go. If you're looking for your first low wing and you want something that looks military, or it is military scale, this is a great alternative, a great choice for that. A little bit of a knife edge air. Pretty good one there, actually. All right, let's land it and let some other people have a chance to fly.
Remaining 2 minutes.
There we go. All right, let's check our voltage. Now, let's take a look at this fancy technology we've got here. All right, if you can see, I flew, let me just go back, let me show real quick, show you how long I still got 2 minutes left on a 5.5 minute timer. Uh-oh, hold on, let me get the right screen here. But look at how much battery. I still have over half, almost 3/4, and I'm flying her fairly hard. So you put a 2200 4S in this, you can fly for 10 minutes with throttle management, easy. All right, pick up our plane and get it off the field. And what do you want to hear? Motor off, that's right. Well, there you go, folks. That is the E-FLITE T-28B yellow 1.1 meter little warbird trainer. Great little first plane. Great. Actually could be a good first plane if you wanted it with a little bit of simulator time, but also would be definitely your first warbird, and it could be your first low wing trainer. Because you look at them wings, how they turn up on the side. That's called dihedral. That makes the plane naturally stable. And with this having AS3X, which is wind mitigation or a wind gyro, and having safe select, and then if you put it in safe mode, just let go of the 6 and she automatically self-rights for you. But I don't fly with that, but it's there in case I need it. If I get into trouble or a weird attitude and I'm like, oh crap, I'm gonna lose my plane, flip that switch and you self-rights. I mean, people may get on to you at the club, say, hey, you're flying with safe, you're cheating. Yeah, you gonna buy my plane? You gonna pay for my plane for me? Okay then, give it right back to them. Let's see how quick they pull their pocketbook out for you. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, stay family and friends. And Warbird. Bye.